Hi, welcome to our channel. In this video I'll show you how to set up parental control on your child's Poco M4 Pro device. First, you need to log out of all Google accounts on the child's phone. To do this, open Settings, scroll down, then choose Accounts and Sync, choose Account to delete, tap More, click Remove Account and Remove Account again. Cool, now you need to add child's account on this device. To do this, in the same menu, click Add Account, Google Account. Now enter child's email and password. But if the child knows the password from his own account, he'll be able to bypass it. He will be able to bypass the blocking of Google Family Link, and therefore you need to create an account for the child with a password that only you will know, or ask the child to change the password to one that he will not know. So enter child's email, and password. Click Next, tap I agree, wait a while and choose Accept. Cool, now go back to Settings menu, scroll down and choose Google. Now you need to set up the Family Link on child's device. To do this, scroll down, choose Parental Control, Get Started, Child or Teenager, Next. Choose child's account and log in into your Google account. In Parents' Google account. Enter your email and password. Tap Next. Scroll down, enter child's password again. Tap Agree, Allow. Click Next. Scroll down, choose Next again. Scroll down, choose Next, Skip, and now go back to home screen. Cool, now on your device, open Play Store, find here Family Link and install this application. Open it. Now scroll down and choose Get Started. Choose your Google account and cool. Now choose Google account, child's Google account we just add, and cool. Here we see that we can fully control the child's phone, block his phone if he uses it for a very long time, and you can also block a separate application. To do this, tap here View All Apps. Here find application to block. For example, I want to block Gmail, for example. Yeah? So find here Gmail, tap on Send Watch and choose Block. Wait a while and cool. As you can see, Gmail was successfully blocked. And that's all. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye!